So if you're considering whole home filtration, this is a fantastic option. The reasons I would look at this is we get a whole house approach to filtration. We get lovely, clean drinking water at every tap within the house. This is our Atlas Big F Pro 256. We have a sediment filter, a carbon block, and a UV. The sediment filter removes sand, dirt, any of the smaller particles you might find in mains water, rust from pipes. The carbon filter here is a block carbon filter, and it's removing colour, taste, odour, including chlorine. One of our biggest sort of things we have in terms of taste in our mains water. Over there then next we have a chamber, and that holds our UV lamp. And the UV lamp's there to render bacteria void of being able to reproduce. Now, most people will hear the terms that UV kills bacteria. It doesn't actually kill bacteria, it just affects their reproductive DNA. Therefore, it can't reproduce and becomes harmless to us. So we've got the triple system and then back into the house and providing fresh, really good quality water. If you're looking for one of our Atlas Filtered Big F Pros, go to whiteint.com.au and look at our dealer locator. Our dealers are specialist dealers who deal with filtration and can point you in the right direction of what product best suits you, and will generally have these in their shops and available for instant purchase.